Do you want to tag someone on Twitter X? You can mention people on X post with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To tag someone on Twitter X. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on the Post Plus button to create a new post. This will open the post composer where you can write your message or status. Now, type the @ symbol followed by the username of the person you want to tag. For example, type @username to mention that person in your post. As you type the username, X will show matching profiles in a drop-down list. Tap on the correct profile from the suggestions to tag the person properly. Once you add the mention, continue writing your post if needed. You can tag multiple people by adding more @usernames in the same post. After finishing your post, tap on the post button to publish it. Once done, the tagged person will be notified, and their username will appear clickable in your X post.